Hello students, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Students, today we are going to learn the new chapter, there is a new concept, surface areas and volumes. That is chapter number 13. Also called, this is the 3D figures, surface areas and volumes. And here 3D figures, it's like a solid. It is a solid. In class 8, I hope you learned the three types of figures, that is cuboid. In class 8, just recollect the knowledge of class 8. And second one cube, and third one is cylinder. In class 9th, we have to learn more two figures, that is cone, and next one is sphere. Okay, these two also we have to learn. We have to find surface area and again volumes. Okay, first I will go for the cuboid. Just recollect the knowledge of last year, that is class 8. It's a cuboid is nothing but it's a matchbox or any type of rectangular box, your textbook also. Okay, then cube is it's related to this one. When length, breadth, height are equal, that is cube. Okay, first I'll go for this one. This is the cuboid. Here total how many surfaces are there for cuboid? Total 6 surfaces. This is the cuboid. You know, check the matchbox, once matches box. It's exactly 6 surfaces. Okay. Now check it here. Just I'll write the names of this one: O, A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Check it how many surfaces, just only for this I will explain briefly. Okay, how many surfaces are there totally? A, B, C, O, first one. B, C, D, E, second one. Next, D, E, G, F, third. Next, E, F, A, B is the other one. Total like this, total how many are there? Totally 6 surfaces are present in this. Here, according to the, we know it's looking like a rectangle. A, B, C, O is a rectangle. Once check here, A, B is what is this already, you know, length, and this part BC is what is here? Breadth, and BE and CD, these all are what is here? Heights. Even OC, FE and GD, these all are lengths only. Okay, this one and this one all are breadths. Okay. Length, breadth, and this is what is height. You can take this one or this one, anyone. Length, breadth, height. Total 3 units are presented. Okay, length, breadth, height. Okay. Now we'll go for the cube. If length, breadth, height are equal, then it is a cube. Example, you know, it is a rubric. Here length, breadth, height all are equal. Length, breadth and height are equal. This is the cube. Here also same 6 surfaces. Okay. Then here one more thing, here how many edges are there for this? How many edges? Total 12 edges are there and 8 vertices are present. Here also same. Now come to the cylinder. Cylinder means, example, you know already, that is it's a gas cylinder. Example, this is what is, it's a circular part, upper and down. What is that one? radius, and this one is total height. Okay, these are the figures already you know. Now we'll go for the new figures. That is actually cylinder has having one more concept here, hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder. That means here inner and outer radius both are present. Here only one R is there. In the hollow cylinder 2, that means thickness will be is there in this. This is the hollow cylinder. Here two radii are there. Radii, that is radii, first one is small r and the outer part is capital R. The height is the same for both. It's a height. Next, come to the cone. This is the new concept for you. It's like birthday cap exactly, and ice cream cone also. Then here birthday cap or ice cream cone. The base is like a circle, and this one is what is here? Height. And this one is again R. Height and radius. Okay. Then again the new figure is sphere. Sphere is exactly your basketball or normal ball, cricket ball. You can use that one. Sphere. It's totally different like a circle. Don't compare circle and sphere. Sphere is only ball and circle is a two-dimensional figure. This one is three-dimensional figure. 3D figure. Example is what is basketball. Okay. Now here what is the present here? R. Radius is present in this. Here also one more figure is there, that is the hemisphere. This is related to sphere only again, that is hemisphere. Hemisphere is nothing but what? Half sphere. And again what is here? Radius is present. Hemisphere. And one more also we have to do, that is a hemisphere related hemispherical shell. Hemispherical shell or hollow hemisphere. That is again like this only. Hollow cylinder is how many radii are present? Capital R and small r. Here also same in this. Let's draw here hemispherical shell. Inner radius and outer radius. Two are there. Now children observe totally how many figures are there now here totally. Last year you learned in class 8 cube, cuboid, cube and cylinder. In the cylinder one more now we are learning little deep, that is hollow cylinder, and next one is a new figure for you, that is a cone, 3D figure. Okay. Next sphere, and sphere related two are there more, that is a hemisphere and hemispherical shell. In the hemispherical shell and hollow cylinder two radii are present. What is first one is small r and second one is capital R.